In this video, we'll walk you step by step through how to install, set up, and activate your trading bot, so make sure to watch until the end. First, ensure that the bot has already been downloaded. Once downloaded, copy the bot file as we will need to add it to MetaTrader. Now open MetaTrader. Click on File, then select Open Data folder. Open the MQL5 folder, then open the Experts folder. Paste your bot file into this folder. Once done, close the folder. Go back to MetaTrader and open the Navigator panel. You can find this under View/Navigator. Right-click anywhere inside the Navigator panel and click Refresh. You should now see your bot listed there. Since this bot is designed specifically for gold trading, go to Market Watch, right-click on XAUBOT, and select Chart window. The gold chart will now open. Next, drag the bot from the Navigator panel and drop it onto the XAUBOT chart. A settings window will appear. In this window, make sure Allow DLL Imports is checked. Go to the Common tab and ensure Algo Trading is enabled. After that, move to the Inputs tab. Copy your license key from the dashboard and paste it into the license parameter. Once done, click OK. Next, go to the Tools menu and click Options. Open the Expert Advisors tab. Here, you need to enter the XAUBOT URL so MetaTrader can verify your license key. Make sure all required options are enabled, then enter the XAUBOT URL exactly as shown. After typing the URL, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save it, and then click OK. Once all these steps are completed, your bot should now be live and running. If you see Events Disabled on the screen, don't worry, this does not mean the bot is not working. It simply means the news filter is turned off. You can enable it in the bot settings by changing the news parameter from false to true. Finally, open the Experts tab. If you see that your license is activated and the message XAUBOT Pro Generator is loading, this confirms that your bot is working correctly. If you have any questions or experience any issues, feel free to contact us.